brochures.
They make it really simple to be able to create your own product the way you want it to look.
At Vistaprint.com, it's easy and affordable to look professional. See how easy it is with 250 premium cards, now new and improved, and still only $10. Order today and get free shipping. And my sister was...
What are you guys fighting for? Huh? What are you fighting for? Ouch.
$10, free shipping.
Get him, Pupster. Get him.
Really professional. And it's time for summer delivery. Especially at the Hard Rock.
Normally, festivals don't seem to have that. Because I wanted the definitive British experience.
What's the noise?
Let's just see Jersey Boys.
When we come back, Lady Isabella could only...
Try egg white and cheese tricked out. Subway.
Ouch, don't bite me. I'm not in this fight. Little turd.
Yeah, we kind of fire us up.
We're lost without it now. Hang in there, guys. Don't miss VH1's premiere of Hard Rock Calling on Saturday, August 25th at 9
Pupster.
p.m. That's
Hey, buddy.
All access. For more Subway Fresh Buzz, go to VH1.com.
Ow, don't bite me. No.
What?